Welcome back in my YouTube channel Harendra Classes of Computer. Today I am going to write a program in HTML and CSS. How to make different type of transition onto this particular images. Like when you will put your cursor onto this particular images, the images it will be come into the zoom format. Okay, so we are going to discuss about how to make this kind of program in HTML and CSS. So we will meet again after this short video. Thank you. Open to Sublime text editor for writing the particular program. So first of all we have to open Sublime text editor. After opening the file, we have to save a particular page. Then we have to start to write a particular code of HTML. So I am going to save the file as photogallery.html. Then I am going to use to write a particular HTML, then press tab button, and when we will press tab button, ultimately it will be some code. You can see it is come onto the screen. In between title I have given the title as a photo gallery. Then after we have to use header tag, and header tag first of all we have to mention heading 1, level heading 1. Okay, so in heading level 1 I will use this is my photo gallery. So whatever you can write into this particular tag you can write. After that I will use as a paragraph tag. Okay, in between paragraph I will use that I did use HTML program and CSS program to create this whole web pages. After that we have to close a particular paragraph tag. Then we have to write another part of the web this particular code. Then header close it is. After that I will use to write a main tag. In between main tag I will to create different type of div tag. It's called division tag, and I will give a particular class name as a box. Okay, so you can see I have given div class equal to box in double quote. Then I will use to close div tag. After that in between I will use to write image src equal to double quote. Image src equal to double quote. Then after I will use to write a particular images path into the double quote. Then I have to go in wallpaper, then open with web browser and copy the path from address bar. Then I will come into the source code again of Sublime text editor, and in between double quote I will use to paste. Okay, after that I will copy the whole line, and how many time I need to represent the particular wallpaper I will use. So 8 images I want to show. Then I will use to copy and paste 8 times. After that you can see all program it will be appear onto the web browser. I will save the program and go to the web browser. You can see images it will be shown. Okay, so that is the particular path for the particular images. So I will change the wallpaper name. So that is the 1, that is the 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 images it will be show back to back. Okay, so that because of images name I have to written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this, and copy paste it is and refresh. Now you can see that is the 8 images you can see onto the web browser. Okay, after showing this particular I will write the particular CSS. Okay, so look ahead part of the program. Okay, so now we are going to use CSS, external CSS. I am going to write about this. So after title tag I will use to write a style tag open and style tag close. In between first of all I am going to use to format as a header. Okay, so first of all I will format about header, and I will write the all necessariest attribute property and their attributes one by one. So background color it is I will give the particular background color. Then next property I will give, see, then I will write a color. Okay, so text color, it will be in that color I am going to mention. Okay, see, color it is there. So next one, text alignment I will use, so it should be in center. Okay, but all the text it should be come in center. Then after I will going to use as a particular attribute. Okay, so this one means font size I will use. Font size, it should be in approximately 20 px, 25 px. Okay, now you can see this output, all these things it is come red color. Okay, background it is blue, light blue color. So again, next attribute I will give. So one by one I will give to the particular attributes. Then after I am going to use paragraph, I am going to apply style onto the paragraph tag. So display it will be blocked. Oh, no, sorry, background it will be in background color, it should be in what color you can't give. You can, I will give to sky blue color. Then text color I want to use. For text color I will use color, then colon, after that which color you want to display it, you can write the particular. Okay, now spelling it should be not mistake. If spelling mistake if there, nothing output will become. Okay, so you have to take precaution while writing the particular spellings for the particular attributes. Okay, so one by one I will give the particular attribute for the particular property. Okay, so now you can see, after that you will set the page size, means background, all these things you can see, says the size 100. Now you will come the source code, and you can see next one it is there. I will write to use the main selector. Okay, so main selector I will give the margin from left side, margin left. What margin you can set? I will give 120 px. Okay, so this is, you can see it is little bit shifted from left side. Okay, so that much. Okay, after refreshing this particular program, I am going to apply CSS onto the boxes. Okay, so see, this is came into the little bit shift from right side. Then I will use to apply CSS on boxes. So first of all I will use to write dot boxes, then I will use curly braces. So first of all I will write display block. You can write display block. Then you will come to float. It should be on left side. Then float colon left. Okay, then you will use semicolon. After that you will apply width. Okay, width it should be 20%. You can see width it is 20%. Then after you will use to padding. Okay, apply the padding 10 px. Padding it should be 10 px. Then padding left it will be 12 px. Again you will write padding left 12 px. Okay, then you will refresh it and see. So all this particular attribute you will use one by one. Sequences you can change, no problem. You will just refresh little bit, then you can see how it is appearing. After that you will go to write, again you will go to the source code and you will write image selector. You will write image, how much width it should be. Image width it should be seen into the 100%. Okay, width it will be 100%. Then you can control the border. Okay, border radius you can control. So border radius it is 8 px only. Okay, how much you can write, no problem. I am going to write 8 px, border radius 8 px. After that you will save this program and go to the source code, object code. You can see, minimize this and refresh. Now how it is. After refreshing the file, it will be showing like this onto the web browser. Then I am going to apply some effect onto the particular images. So go on to this particular source coded and write about the particular attribute onto this particular codes. Okay, then we have to come on to the source code. Now you can see if you will put the cursor onto the images, nothing will be happen. So how to write the code? You have to come onto this particular code. Then I will write, first of all I will use to write hover. Okay, image hover I will write img, then colon hover. After that I will use to attribute as a transform, then colon, then I will use scale attribute, scale, then I will control axis 2, horizontal axis and vertical axis 2, 2. After that I will use transition colon 3s transform. Okay, 3 second transform, within 3 seconds it will be run. Okay, without bracket you will write transform. Then you can save the program and go to the object code and refreshes. Now see, very slowly it is came. Okay, very slowly. How it will become immediately? Discuss. You have to come in source code again and simply you have to put dot before 3s because of dot 3 second. Okay, after that you will save this program and run it. Now you can see when you will keep your cursor onto this point how it is coming. Okay, keep practicing this one. Okay, so all this thing about this program, how you can apply different type of transition onto this particular images via HTML and CSS, that is all about. Okay, so always keep practicing and try to learn about how to do this. Thank you, watch the full video and learn it. Now we will meet in next video again. Thank you.